United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 279, obligation to settle disputes by peaceful means. States parties shall settle any dispute between them concerning the interpretation or application of this convention by peaceful means in accordance with Article 2, Paragraph 3 of the Charter of the United Nations, and to this end, shall seek a solution by the means indicated in Article 33, Paragraph 1 of the Charter. Article 280. Settlement of disputes by any peaceful means chosen by the parties. Nothing in this part impairs the right of any states parties to agree, at any time, to settle a dispute between them concerning the interpretation or application of this convention by any peaceful means of their own choice.